reviewing the Mars Glow File Liquid Highlighters for you guys. Absolutely love the packaging. It's very, very sleek, travel friendly, something that will not break because it's plastic. And it comes with a doe foot applicator, so it's super easy to apply. One more thing I really, really like about this particular product is that it comes with a doe foot applicator, a liquid highlighter that comes with a doe foot applicator. I haven't seen a lot of Indian brands do, especially at this price point. This liquid highlighter retails only for $3.99. So this is a great steal. The consistency of this particular product is not super liquidy, so it's not going to be that difficult to work with. You get 10 ml of product in it, which is not bad for $3.99 for sure. It comes in 3 beautiful shades for you to choose from. This is winged rose, this is winged gold, and this is winged champagne. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply winged rose on this side, and I'm going to apply winged champagne on this side, because winged gold is definitely not my shade. It's going to be too dark for me. Apply one dot right here because we do not know how pigmented these are, and I do not want to go overboard. As you can see, it gives you that beautiful subtle glow. I think it's given me that subtle glow because I've only applied one dot. I'm sure this is buildable, so we're going to check that with the shade Champagne if it's actually buildable and can give more pigment than this. I'm going to apply Champagne on this side. Just applied a little bit more than one dot on this side. I'm going to switch the brush so that the shades don't get mixed up. Oh yeah, Champagne is definitely my shade. If you're fair to medium skin tone and if you're somebody who likes a pinkish undertone in your highlighter, you should definitely go for this shade, which is Rose. For fair to medium skin tones, if you're somebody who likes Champagne undertone, you should definitely try this one out because it has a bit of gold also, if you can see. The best part is if you're just applying one or two dots, this particular product is going to last you for such a long time, and it's so mess free. You can literally travel with it and not worry about it leaking in your makeup bag or anywhere. It's easy to apply, take one dot and you're good to go. You can also use your fingers to tap this particular product in and blend it out. You don't even need a brush when you're carrying this, so that's a plus point. You can actually use these highlighters underneath your base as well. So what are you waiting for? Go grab your Mars Glow File Liquid Highlighter today. Comment for a link and I'm going to send all three of them to you.